Happy Chef coming at you. Today my daughter asked for chicken parmesan. Instead of doing chicken parmesan with chicken breast, we're going to do chicken wings. And that's tomorrow dish. That's some black eyed peas. I got some turkey legs in there boiling. All right, so what we have here, we have some egg. We have 3 eggs. And I already seasoned the flour up, which let me I already seasoned the flour up with my, y'all know what it is. The so we with the I seasoned it up with the total seasoning. Sprinkle. I already put some in there. So all right, so we're gonna mix that in. We have the total seasoning in the flour, and we have breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese. We have 2 different type of breadcrumbs in there. Italian breadcrumb, lemon pepper breadcrumbs with the Parmesan cheese. So we have Parmesan cheese, we have flour with the total seasoning, and some egg whites. And then we have chicken wings, and I'll show you how we do it. Now we got seasoned chicken wings. We'll use the 5-herb blend on this. So we got the total seasoning in the flour, we got the 5-herb blend on the chicken wings. My chicken wings, I like to fold them like this. Number 1, it lets me know that I guarantee washed it because I wash each individual. Number 2, cooking purposes, I like to have it uniform. So, to be continued. All right, this is the recipe. Repeat. You can. This is taking way too long. That's better.